Hi, my name is Aman Patel, and talking about them to to nature and nature's natural things about the old trees and about the trees many factors. And I am a student of class ninth IT electronic technology, and my school name is CM Rai School पंडित विष्णुदत्त शासकीय शासकीय उच्चतर माध्यमिक उत्कृष्ट उत्कृष्ट विद्यालय शिहोरा. And my school in 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 our school are 200 children studying and daily, and many subject my school it is very loudly padhai and others things like sports, kabaddi, cricket and football and etc. But but independent day and independent day are very important functional of India, and many children and many school and other school in my school in selected by my teachers and my principals are very loudly and liking runs and speaking boy and very very interesting and others skills development of pupil and children's. These children are very loudly and very intelligent and very actively, and at least this pupils is very achievement of my school. And the independent day are the most most more children participate in independent day and others school like Takshila, Mishpa, and China and KKV and like many more. And performance and the stage of many and solo and squad dance and speech and etc think are people like it and selected first second third winning prize in our upper ground, and many many peoples are liking and happiness in our independence day in India, and the like of the important thing and the most popular festival of India, and India's all all capitals and towns are celebrated in celebrated in small schools and village and colony and and big officers and army training and army office and etc office and banks in our celebrated in independence day are they are most like it and participate any voices in the independence day. And was there celebrated in independence day. The independence day was celebrated in in Angrez Agrees. In revolution in the India and 2000 year is Sasan Sasan revolution of India, and we will Mahatma Gandhi and Subhash Chandra Bose in Swatantra Bharat, and content of all India peoples and revolution and all India peoples are are more peoples in participate on revolution and the end of Angrez in the going of England and other countries, and 15 August 1947. Finally our country is independent in our peoples, and first and our country's first CM, prime minister of India in is Jawaharlal Nehru, our most famous and intelligent people in our India. And this is the this is this is the very interesting of acting in the India and other countries is India is like it many more. And thank you, welcome next video for coming watching, and thank you, bye.